Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the Xiaomi Mi Band 8, also known as Xiaomi Smart Band 8, and as you requested, we are going to tackle on the password security lock of the Mi Band 8. So this is just a short video on how to set up and how does the Mi Band 8 password or band lock security works. Okay, so we are going to have a demo on this feature in the Mi Band 8. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video, just drop a comment below. Okay, so we are now set and our fitness tracker is already paired with the Mi Fitness application. As you can see here, we have 78 battery life, 78% battery life. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I already added a security feature or a pin locked, password lock for the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So if I want to access the menu here, so it is asking for pin to unlocked. It is a 6-pin security password or security code. So our security code here is 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. So for example, I want to access and input a wrong security code, so it says here incorrect, and you will not be able, obviously will not be able to access the menus of your Mi Band 8. So let's say several times incorrect. To access, you have to put on the correct pin code, of course, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it is now unlocked. You can now access the different menus and features of your Mi Band 8. So after a few seconds, and the screen goes blank or black, you have to input the password security again. So how to unlock the password or how to remove the password? So just go to your Mi Fitness application and go to the pin or set password. Pin locked security. So we have here set password, tap on it. And you have an option here to turn off the pin or change the pin. Lock your wearable device when you're not wearing it. As you can see here, you cannot access it again without the correct pin to unlock. So for example, we want to change the pin, tap on change pin. So enter 6-digit pin, 1 2 3. Let's change it to other pin, 3. Again 1 2 3 6 5 4. Let's see, as you can see here, 1 2 3 6 5 4, check. Next, let's put it again, 1 2 3 for verification, 6 5 4. Then check. Next, and it has been applied successfully. So let's check if it's updated. If it's updated in real time, 1 2, again 1 2 3 4 5 6. Incorrect. Again 1 2 3 6 5 4. It's now unlocked. So if you want to remove the pin, the same procedure, just go to the set password, then turn off pin. After you turn off the pin, you won't be able to use this feature. Continue anyway. Continue. And let's see. Okay. So let's wait for a few seconds. See if there will be no more password. Okay. Let's check. Okay, the screen is off now, so let's see. Okay, as you can see here, there's no more pin.